G'day folks, and welcome to another drawing session where I talk about my process, insights on art, creativity, and anything in between. I had a friend that was looking through my sketchbook recently, and she asked why I didn't have many male portraits in my sketchbook. I couldn't really give her a good answer. It didn't really occur to me. When looking for a portrait to draw, I usually look for something that inspires me. I guess these days a lot of female portraits are shown everywhere, on advertisements, on social media. Everywhere you look, there seems to be a greater proportion of women portraits and images, more so than men. So I guess maybe that's why I draw a lot of female portraits. So I thought for this video, I'll draw a male portrait. Well folks, I hope you all enjoyed watching the process of this drawing as much as I enjoyed drawing it. If you found some value in this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content like this in the future. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed watching me fill another page in my sketchbook. I'd like to thank you if you've made it this far, and I will see you guys in the next video. So until then, have a great day and enjoy being creative.